It's your boy Gucci. So it's got a new project. I don't really post much on YouTube. I'm still learning how this stuff works. But yeah, new project. Chrysler 300 SRT 6.1 Hemi. Definitely a little messed up. You know what I'm saying? Got into a bad accident. Previous owner said ball joint, lower ball joint snapped on this side. Fucking destroyed itself. But yeah, it's pretty clean. It runs super quiet. I don't know why the brightness is so dark. So we got a lot of fixing to do. We already fixed the whole front suspension, added some max heating coilovers, and now we gotta wait for some other things, and we're gonna wrap it, lower it, and who knows where we'll go from there. But some of you may know, some of you may not know, this is my beauty. 2006 Dodge Charger SRT8 wide body. Had this car for like 3-4 years now. Used to be half black, half white. Changed it to purple because my nana wanted me to, so fully built, long tube headers, all the way back, 3-inch straight pipe. Put a lot of hard work on this thing over the years. You guys can see, you see what it says. Yeah, so I don't know. You guys know that Max Peating Rod sent me that turbo. Well, I gifted it to a friend for his birthday because, I don't know, I'm not really a turbo guy. What am I gonna use that turbo for? I don't know how to turbo things. Also, we got some upgrades at the shop. We got a nice TV now with some couches. Girlfriend's car on the lift. Needed suspension work. Yeah, so I don't know what's planned for the day. I know I got 2 or 3 people coming in, I'm pretty sure. And you guys get to see in the next clip. How long do you think got this shit filling up? Small disclaimer, this truck has no brakes.